and tighten by pulling the strap.
Hot chocolate here in Sydney.
Ay, susama. Hi, Dad.
Nakapila kami ulit for travel tax.
For me. Yeah.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the glass into the bottom and tighten by pulling the strap. If you land, you can undo your seatbelt by pressing the button or lift
Grip at the front, then tighten. There's a red cap.
And then how about this?
A few hours later.
Ano yan? Hot chocolate?
Doon na lang tayo muna. Meron mga upuan
Sa
niya.
labas?
Oh, hindi. Dito lang.
Hot chocolate here in Sydney. Then, itong asawa ko. Hindi na daw niya kaya ang lamig. Mayo.
Pa rin. Pa rin ako eh.
Hindi ah.
Ganito lang lamig sa Qatar pag winter.
Hindi pa nga ganito eh.
Yung pinaka-winter talaga.
Oh, yung peak niya. Pero ilang araw lang. Yung dami ng motor. Diyan lang sa kilid dyan. Oo, dito lang. Hi, Mama! Sabing daw nila.
Oo. Wala nang gamit, dala ni ate mo sa...
Oo nga, dati may gamit dito eh.
Oo, wala na.
Hi!
Yung TV, dinala niya.
Mayumi do.
Dinala niya po yung TV.
Kalimutan kong videohan. Ayan ang lunch namin. Order ni ate. Ito ba niya? Morning and gabi.
Tapal ng buhok ko.
Look at my camera. Look.
Say hi to camera.
Hi!
I'm to camera.
Hi to camera! Oh. Pogi baby.
Hi to camera eh.
Let's go. Bukas pa ba yan? Bukas akin. Hindi ko nga napansin na uwi ka, kuya. Natulog ako.
Oo, nakapagpahinga din ako, nakatulog.
Bumabawi. Hold tita. Wow, Beshi. It's me, Beshi.
Kailan tandaan niya ano?
Oo, natatandaan na niya ako. Oh, slowly. Wow.
Hold my hands.
Hold me.
Ano yan?
Hindi yan. Galing ah. X.
Why is it now my name? A, B, C. Next time, sing with me.
Galing
On
ah.
the paper.
Oh, that's a playground.
Playground.
That's a
But
playground.
Tita MC.
Tita MC?
Bessie.
Beshi, yes, Beshi. Wow. Hello, ang galing ah.
Alam niya na mag-slide pa po agad.
Very fast. Okay. Beshi, I'm here. Beshi, I'm here.
Oh.
Hoy.
Oh.
I'm here, Beshi. Lucas, slide na, Lucas.
Go.
Go. Here. Ah! Ah! One more time. Oo, umutog. One more time.
I see the notice.
Ha? Oh, Ninong. Ikaw din, Ninong. Yeah. Aba, naka... Oy. Loko din to. Loko-loko din.
Ah.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Walk na, walk na.
What's this?
That's plant. Yeah.
I'm going to.
Where are you going? To the beach.
Parang hindi na pagod maghapon to ah. Parang tulog lang.
Meron ito dati. Parang business center na ito.
Oh.
Business park. Kaya mga office ko.
Oo. So, ang dahil ko katayo dito, kuya.
Kasi natin, tinatayo na.
Oo. Uy, ang galing naman. Tatawid tayo?
Tawin naman tayo.
Meron dito.
Parang gano'n.
Uy, ang daming kapihan. Kaso lang hanggang gabi lang. Yes, Beshi. You know me. You know Tita Beshi. We're going back sa bahay. We're home. Oh, building mainit yun. Sabi, hi, Nanay.
Hi, Nina.
What are you eating?
Ano ka?
Ligo, Lucas.
Ligo, Luka.
Get your ano.
Oh, eat ka muna. We're eating with Beshi. This is our food. The big one. We're eating with Beshi. Say hi.
Hi.
Show them you're eating. What are you eating?
I'm eating chicken toast and chicken and what?
Chicken rice, chicken tots. Show them your water. This is my water.
This is my water.
Water. Water. Hi, Nanay. I'm in the vlog. Sabi mo. Hi, Nanay.
Hi, Nina.
Yeah, hi, Nanay.
Hi.
I'm in the vlog.
I'm in the vlog.
You will watch my vlog, huh?
What's this?
That's chicken. Don't eat na with rice.
It's the wind.
It's so windy.
It's the windy.
Look, it's so windy.
Look at this. It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving, oh. Eat your rice, eat your rice.
Like
Ano yun, ma?
it's moving. Like this. Like this. It's moving.
It's moving.
Like this.
Like this. Look. Dito mo na yan. Oh, it's moving. Cheers tayo, cheers. No, where's your chicken? Cheers tayo, cheers. Cheers. You're so foggy. Kanya lang. Listen ko kay Nanay. Hi, Nanay.
Hi, Nana.
I'm with Tita Beshi.
I miss Tita Bessie.
Cheers daw, cheers. Kuya, dito ka na. Push na ako.
No save, no save, no save. Bessie orange.
Ha, Beshi?
Bessie orange.
Orange? That's for Lucas. That's for Lucas, orange. After you eat, you eat first. Kuya, puti ko. You're so white, Beshi. Magkakulay tayo. Here's the place of Carmina. Then we're going out alone. Kasi may pasok silang lahat. So, alam naman ni Ryan to.
Hindi, data roaming nakalagay dito.
Uy, may park din pala dito. May gate na ito. Kasi ang backyard mo yan. Saan?
Diyan yung, ano nila,
Yung.
park.
Ang ganda ng bahay nila. Gusto ko ganyan yung bahay.
Pinakamalamig.
Told you. It's my araw. But it's okay na rin. Wow, it's so ganda. Kaya I take a picture. Oh, pinagbit-bit ko na naman si Ryan. Bag ko. Ang ganda ng bahay nila, oh. Inshallah. Guys, 20 minutes kami to walk. Very tired. Very tired. Now, meron ditong calls.
Ang sasakyan, no?
we're done eating breakfast. And then, parehas lang eh. Ha? Oo nga, 1 or 2 doon sa kabila. Ito to. Ito na to eh. Oh. Saan papunta?
The train on platform 1 goes to Linfield via Central. First stop Quakers Hill, then Marion, Blacktown, then all stations to Parramatta, then Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, St Leonards, Chatswood, Linfield.
Saan tayo dito? Na yung muna natin.
Next stop, Quakers Hill.
Talaga. Ganda oh.
Ngayon, gawa. Pare-pare lang. Ito mismo. Ang daming plato.
Next stop, Town Hall.
Picture. Ayaw ko magpa-picture.
Then, can we go to Uniqlo now?
Saan ba? Uy! Lagi mo isa. Ayaw mo na yun. Ayaw mo.
Ayaw mo?
Chicken lang ako.
This is an all-stop service to Tallawong. The next
Okay.
Hindi ka lang. Sim mo na lang kapag kabali tayo.
Siyempre, sabi mo, alam mo eh. Ganito?
Ganito ako, Han. I've been here for 3 years now.
Ano? Eh, dali, bilang na natin sila, Min. Dito na popcorn niya, baby.
Kaya nga dito bilis-bilis kasi titigil talaga sila para
Parehas kami, tag-isa kami. Para sharing kami, cheers kami. We're here sa bahay ni ate ko.
Ha?
We're very tired.
How many steps?
10,000 na, wala pa kaming gabi. Ano ka ngayon?
Shopping?
Wala din.
Lang.
Pero ngayon. What did you do to the
Alam
school?
niyo pala.
I play with classmate.
Oh, play
You play
with
with
classmates.
classmate?
Wow, yes.
Very good ah. Did you enjoy?
And enjoy.
Ay, nag-enjoy naman ng Beshi.
What's the name of your classmate?
And
Kenneth? Name ng classmate mo?
between the fingers.
Yeah, you need to clean your fingers. Between the fingers, between. Yes.
No, not a bowl.
Ha?
It's not a bowl.
Ay, nabasa. Nabasa. No, no, no. You take a bath later, okay?
Later pa.
Maligo ka later.
Take a bath later.
Wait. Ayan na. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name, baby? What's your name, baby?
My name is...
Luca.
My name is Luca.
Oh, very good ah.
Ito lang naman yan, ha? Isang galing lang talaga.
Oo. Isang... Wala naman taon.
Sa lugar na ito namin sa kaya.
Temeda.
Tayo nang siya.
Kanina ka ba, ha? Ha? Hello. Kita mo ako?
Nakita ko kayo. Bisita lang talaga. Doon sa Scofield. Kung sino-sino eh. Been long time. In Australia? Yeah.
Yeah, ready na daw siya. Good morning, guys.
Very cold today.
Pabakpak siya ngayon. Punta kami kay Mama. Tapos sunduin namin si Mama ngayon.
Yes.
Tapos naman kami. We're with Mama. Pag-breakfast kami. Ha? Sa food, dito kaliwa tayo. We are here. We will eat here. Breakfast with Mommy.
Dapat ako. Ganda ng bahay doon, nagbabayad ng sila dito. Dito sa ganitong country, sa atin.
It's so sunny now. Si Ryan natin si Mama. So, okay na ako dun sa train station. Si Ryan, nahabol na lang mabilis naman maglakad yun. Doon ako hinihingal kasi ang bilis niya maglakad. Look at the place. This is Hillsong. I think this is the church. Hillsong Church.
Your next service will arrive shortly.
Hindi tayo magtatap.
Top up?
Oo.
Ngayon na?
Pabukot mo doon na.
Magkano pa ba? 17.
17.
Top up na tayo? Top up.
Batang mo baka mamaya pagkat. Pero yung
Okay na? We're back in town hall. Puno. Puno. Cheesecake pan. Ano? Hindi, birthday takeaway ko. Kasi maghahap ko na siguro.
palang pinunta natin.
Yeah.
Dalawa lang?
Tatlo mo na. Ay, mura lang, $1 lang.
Ito na lang.
Orange ka na lang. Meron dyan. Maganda.
Hindi, pag mabipicturan na.
Ah.
Eh kayo